Hey guys, in this session we're going to learn about how to fix the pressure network path list materials in a Civil 3D. So a couple of days ago I have seen one a post on the Civil 3D forum asking like how I'm not able to see that particular materials under path list to add into the pressure network drawings models. So let's get into Civil 3D environment and let's see how we're going to fix this issue. So I'm gonna set my catalog file to PVC material here. So um, then okay. So I would like to add all my pressure network under PVC material pipe. So let's draw pressure network. So the path list, where you can see the default path list, which is water. So if you try to edit or add the material for this default path list, so you can't add actually because this is the default one which is added Civil 3D template reptile iron. So if you click on right click and add material, so you're not able to see the PVC material. So what I suggest you guys, so create your own path list. So I would like to add my path list name as a PVC network, PVC network under pressure pipes. It's under this name. So no worries. You don't need to double click or edit this new path list. So once you click apply, so automatically it will get changed. Add material. So under material table where you can see the PVC material. And previously, so when you try to add the PVC material under water path list, you're not able to see the material because it was a by default path list was created under Civil 3D template. So but we are creating new path list, so that's what we are able to see this PVC material. So click OK. Expand this path list where you can see the PVC network is updated now. Expand this tree, you can see the PVC pipe material here. So right click, add size. I'm not care about the diameter for now, so because just check this path list how this gonna work in real world. So I'm just go with the default values here. So I'm gonna change this label to nominal diameter with the material. So I would like to see whether it's gonna show this PVC material diameter automatically for the pipes under label or notation. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my network my PVC pipe here. So I click. See this, zoom into this. So where you can see here 4-inch PVC pipe. That's pretty cool. This is how we're gonna add the different materials for different part using different part list or under catalog database file. Let's see the same thing with the different pipe network or different material. So I'm gonna expand this create design under ribbon. So let's set network database to SDPE. So I'm gonna choose SDPE material here. Okay. So under a pipe network, create network creation tool. So as I said before, so don't go on the edit current style and then try to add a different material here. So you can't see that or can add that. Let's try with the pipe PVC network which we have created, and then try to add the material for the current one. So not able to see those materials. So it's always I recommend to you guys create a new part list for different catalog files. So that's how the Civil 3D catalog file is designed. So right click here. So I'm gonna add this here HTTP network HTTP network. Okay, pressure network. Right click, add material. Oh, here is the big miss. So so we can't see the HTTP material here. So by default we're gonna see here ductile iron pipe because this is what the ID material assigned to the HTTP network under catalog file. So let's see how we're gonna fix this issue. So I'm uh, I'm gonna edit the catalog file, content catalog editor. So right click, open file location. Here I'm using Civil 3D 2019 version, so I'm gonna use 2019 version catalog editor. So I'm gonna edit content catalog editor. Double click. So open. So you can see this, by default, materials path is already available. It's like when you click on open, so it will show this program data, Autodesk, and so on. So followed by the material paths here. So I'm going to choose HDPE, open, expand these pipes. So we can see here the HDPE catalog is assigned under ductile iron material. So ductile iron material. So we're going to update this material to HDPE. So select this ductile iron, double click, pull down this, and then assign HDPE. Or else double click this, HDPE. So that's how we're going to edit this. So it's a one-time activity when you update this catalog file. So by default, update this to HTTP material or so on. So whatever material you wanna assign, and then save. So once you've done this activity, it will be long last under your machine for your future projects. So we can see here multiple number of materials available. So in this particular session, so we concentrate about the HTTP part list. So I'm going to assign all the HTTP network here. So save and close this. Minimize. Let's get into the Civil 3D again. So I'd just like to make sure my catalog still referring the HTTP. Okay. So let's create the new part list here. Create new here, HTTP network, HTTP network, and then pressure pipes, right click, add material. So we can see here HTTP network here, HTTP material here under the material tree. So because we just edited that ID material which was assigned ductile iron material to all HDPE pipes under content catalogator. Okay. So that's how we're gonna fix, or that's how we're gonna add the HTTP material or whatever so on. So materials or missing materials for the respective pipes. Okay. So I'm gonna add this. Just want to cross check this, the pipes diameter on the material. Will this works properly when we assign? Okay. So let's draw this pipe here. Ah, look at this. It's working good now. It's like my pipe. So my pipe shows that 0.5 inch diameter with the HDPE material. So this how we're gonna fix for the different catalog file and material. So let's try with the steel pipe here. Once again, steel pipe. Okay. So pressure network, and we all know about that. We can't use the default part list which is created here because each part list or each catalog file is created based on the different part list when it is created from scratch. So here I'm going to add this to steel. So steel network, and go to the pressure network, pressure pipes, right click, add material. Okay, so the steel pipe is available for the steel network. It's pretty cool. So I don't know the Civil 3D template. Some of the material, some of the catalog file doesn't have a sign to the particular material as it shows under catalog file here. Okay guys, that's how we're gonna fix the issues. Let's say we're gonna add different pipe materials for the different pipe networks. So it's always recommended when you create the pressure network file for the different materials. So it's always recommended go create new and then add whatever material you wanna add. So you can't add different materials for the by default available part list, because the different catalog file is created based on the different part list or different industry. Okay, thank you.